Drama Official TV.
Bad to bad, we never see a blood clot man name come call pan Dewey. When me cuss Dewey and say Dewey a batty man, that's my favorite line for batty up everybody when me argue with. You understand? I've never seen Dewey with no man. Me not hear nothing. Me not see nothing. A cuss. You get me?
The one we use it for
exactly. All of a sudden now, them
everybody will say spice moderator. Anything blue, anything spice, them are watch me.
Yes. And them are going to come out now, come with people for come say this and say that about Dewey. Dewey, make me tell you how this run. Them torment you fuck. All them do a walk and follow in my shadow. Everything me keep, them keep. Everything me do, them do. The only thing me not do are evil, like set up people against people and for them come talk, say this is one fuck them and that the one fuck them. Them are crosses and that's why them not keep. Them keep for a couple hours and that's it.
You know, Blinga's in a real life, man. I tell you something, just a live over the scenes there. It touch a whole heap of blouse and skirt. It's like him they even know him head from him foot them, believe me. Cause to the man attack alone. Make you know say yo, this brother here in the street. You get me I say, but at the end of a good day, Father God knows say yo what me do. Or something good me do, you hear that?
And something and this is what they do. Them are going to find one man say me.
One thing me know in a Blinga is they can't get me off of this, you know. No, that's they can't get me down off of this. Say if them a try to get me off of internet, a wrong thing. If my wife could get me off of it, who forget me off? Who could have come with 1,000,001 thing, brother. Know that. You see from me know myself. You see from me know myself. I want to know, man.
But you not to worry about it.
Worry about what Blingas?
It now go stick. Listen why it now go stick. It now go stick because them not make sense.
No sense in what them say. No sense in what them say. No sense. What them try to make.
This is what they do. They go to extra mile.
Bling, did you do a video? Remember when I first do it, I can't do it back to man. Did you do a video and put my voice on it and put on your platform, Bling? One video with one man I walk fast and me in the background. I said, do we have Batman? Did you fix that video? You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, the video that did come out for truth, but I didn't do those things. You understand? Remember, those are what people make because I can't make these things.
That's why I asked if you make it.
You see, Blingas, you see that video there? England people stay from and call me and say, dog, me
yes,
see you gone.
I wasn't the one that made it.
You're gone in a real life. I say, what you mean gone? Me there so same way, so we are talking about my gun. The same time them send me the link at the video, I'm go over
there. You in the video.
Well, now that me I say, Mama, I turn to the person and me I say, bad man, if you know me in a real life, you know me that. From you look for me,
I know you in the video, you know.
Mama, one thing with me, you see one thing with me, my features them never change from me I grow till now. Me is a slim maga nigga. You hear that? And no boy not have my weight, me have moved from you see me, you know see me that. You see me? So you see me see video my friends, me I say dog that with anything up on the internet and run with it. That is not something if you run with. You should even call me and tell me about that. Cause you know me bro. You see me? So when me see that one when me see that one here come again, me I say one next fabrication again.
Them try many times.
Do we?
Yeah, the one use me for target. Sister, me cause that.
And not even that them are using it. And not even that them are using it, Jay. And not even that them are using it. So them are use, I say me go up on my head top. In a real life, I dance at them right now, me see I go up on the head top. Down to the man them way. What day me I watch one dancing thing we must go on a Germany. And he's a Jamaican dancer. Me see on him head top. I mean I see nobody bring him down or carry him up. Nah nothing.
Yeah,
but you I'm a wife. I'm a wife, put it up, everybody have a problem. You get me? I never know no man put me up. Me and my wife, they enjoy the moment. And so what if me feel like I go up on my top for my wife? I wish girl can't beat me. Eh? You must see mad man. If I go up on my head top, me never dip on my head top. Me never dip on my head top, neither on my head side, me did there. You hear that? Know that. And if you know break dance, you know break dance involve them thing when the dancer them go up on them. So at the end of a good day when you hear now come and attack this and attack that, Me no know no body man. Know that in a real life. Me a boy, me no know none. And me no want know none. Cause for them levity and my levity are two different levity.
When I live in a life and stop involved people and the things to look blood clot company. All what come talk about me say me want to see some with blood clot, man. Don't try blood clot that.
Queenie, you see more time I hear people talk, Jay. And themselves them a talk about because when me hear them mention that about threesome with man. I know me I refer to the man we got Jamaica go fuck and aim do them thing there. Yeah? Because at the end of a good day, that man there with married woman and every time him a fuck married girl, the husband have it dead.
You're there.
Alright.
Know that. So me never do no threesome with no man yet.
When I come reverse blood clot psychology like when I can't carry me down. When I could attack till that kingdom come full of confidence. Move on a blood clot.
One thing me know no man never put nothing around my rear and me never push my cock in a none yet.
Them stink the blood clot. Every day I get up with this Batman. I do a Batman.
Me not have nothing to prove to nobody. You know why? A one person alone me have to prove to. And she know my style. She cuss me for girl every day and I'm my wife. So at the end of a good day, I give a fuck what I want to say.
Move on the blood clot.
Mom.
Dewey, this is not stuff we have to worry about. May I tell you why? Miss Blinga tell us say it can't stick. No time, no day. No where them put pan you can't stick. And them a go to the extra mile. Them a go for dick, term and blood clot, Harry, because this is what they do. Go for the people them, carry them, come, say this happen and that happen. Is a pattern with them.
Wait here, Miss Bling. I want to say something. You know, society, the world gone to our next place that we just have to just live and beg God for help us. Cause it is so deceiving. For see the man them, do breasts, dress up like woman, and then target the straight man them. And then when things happen, everybody just want bash and don't look on the logic of it. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, innit? So if you see a woman with brassiere, titty up in the ear and lipstick and ear and fingernail, you now go just get up and say, I want blood clot, man, that time. Let me tell you something, Miss Bling. But there in England, I want place near West Green where I do my fingernail for 1 year. I see the woman where I do my fingernail, Bling. She said to me, for read my phone, my text. I said, read my text. What? Me there so with you. She said, read your text. You said me read my blood clot text. She tell me say she's a man. You hear me, Miss Bling?
Yeah.
Drink some water, my mouth dry. Miss Bling.
May I hear you? May I hear?
Oh man, I do my fingernail and said to me, say read my phone. Remember, I'm very calculated, I'm a tick, me quick. So I said, why am I read my phone? I'm there here in front of you. See him, sir. She said, read your phone. When I pull my WhatsApp, she said, I am a man. I start tremble to blood clot. I said, what do you mean by is a man? She said, look on her Adam apple. She must step on this right now. She said, look on her Adam apple. Yeah? I said, blood clot all along. Me see the way you attend sex to blood clot. Me not even remember something named Adam Apple. Or if me see it, me not even remember that. You understand, my sibling? So my point is, me and the way I drive a blood clot, maybe I and the way I argue with blood clot. I miss the phone ring. And him have it time ears. I said, the fuck me argue with him and him have him phone and him ears. A good thing me calculated and terrible in a blood clot. And I love how God made me. Anyway, I'm explaining. So, when him up on the phone where him is, me don't know where I'm going. I'm just start class to somebody. I'm going to say a destiny. Him and Rosalie up on the live and then prank Dewey. So, things like this, people set you up for idleness, entertainment, for keep relevant, for everything. Just to have a laugh, anything in it.
I have to bring it down.
Yes, so everything. So my point is, For everybody just get up and judge and feel like them can come tackle you and tell us, say, yeah, no, nobody can you do this, can them know you do that. Me, now have blood clot that can you send me little and a grandma and a center mass. And I've got people here go watch blood clot TV whenever I've no, we have to dip on the woman veranda and watch TV. Me used to say, you see when me see them I beat the slave them, me used to say, you see for me I lick out back them blood clot. Them would have to kill me. From a little bit, Miss Bling. So me know, oh, me stay from a little bit, I know it's not internet do me like this, Miss Bling. You understand me? The world is so deceiving. May God help us. Some of them have them own pussy. And when them shape come like them have 9 blood clot pit and them a man. So you see that each to them own, you know. Me not knock nobody, you know. And me not tell nobody how to live, you know. But me just look all the people, them shallow-minded. And them just want to have something for laugh and say them have something for you for bring you down. So realistically, when me see all of this, I have to stand authority. Me have to stand for my husband, fight our funeral.
I understand, and this is why them do it to TikTok police. And me tell me,
Thank you.
Me have to come out and make them know. So me telling you this. No can bring him down pan this blood clot here. Me have to dead first. I don't care what happen. Let me tell you. Them come out, remember, you know, all of a sudden, them never come with this. Why as do we come this evening, come talk, them come with this? Queenie, them cannot win. Queenie, this is not even 9-day talk. Them can't win. Them have to go find an
Miss Bling, all for 100 here. Miss Bling, let me tell you something, darling. Sorry, I mean it in a bad way, because sometimes I talk, people get me wrong. Because I said something to RT earlier on, and him take it wrong. Me just have this demanding talk when something happen, I just want to let it talk, and I easily forgot. You understand me? And it not make it right. But Miss Bling, let me tell you something. Whether 9 days talk or 100 days talk, the reality is, Miss Bling, a lot of us going through so much thing in this world. And when them say want something, them want you for going at the rascal barrel and roll down the gully and tell them throw you some gas by you, light by you. And that is fucking sad. Them not sit back and say, blood clot, Queenie, I go through that, but me, I go through this, you know, so. You hear me? At least my one little worse than Queenie, a little better than Queenie. No, them not go through, not no. And Queenie are the worst, and my husband don't like me, and me I hold a man, and me I hold on my husband. That they can't see the no little nice, chill, negative. I'm positive. It's all about the negative. They can't find a beauty in a Queenie's script and flash her ear. Them have for warm up for drop. No. You see somebody not trouble me, me no want them for drop me, you know. Me no want them. All if them trouble me, me see them and lift them up in a Miss Bling. Let me tell you something, Bling. Me chat in a Bling. Me say, me not go back on Bling platform, you know. You hear me?
Yeah.
You saw me I stay cool. Remember you the night when you send me the request, you know. Me could go up on your phone, you know. You suck me, you know. Because them block me for a couple of days. So even though I watch, I could have come on the something anywhere. So when I not go on it, I say, you know, say, I not go on Miss Bling live, I not go on it. And I remember when I did there at Jamaica, and I did go on the girl power something with you.
Yeah.
I'm a battery there. Just my own little meds me, you know. Because me, I'm my own real person, it. And me I say, when I did the girl power Wednesday, my battery dead when me over the house. Cause I don't like never another house said. Cut long story short. Remember when me never get to go live with you?
Yes.
So me I say, you know, me not go back for Miss Bling live car. See them over there and she tell me, say, come on, Queenie, I can't go over there. Says, I sign me, I look pan it after. And look pan it, I say, I must have reason. And then me say, move on a blood clot, cause guess what? Promise, yeah, some mistake, Miss Bling, cause we're all human. Things that come cross our mind naturally without we even realizing it. So the truth, you as a person towards the person, I'm going to make you work it out. So I work it out back and say, well, guess what? Miss Bling used to trouble me, you know. Draw me, pat me, show up, goddess. But you see, from me and her connect, she show me that respect. She said, Queenie, you're a human before the internet, and me a human too. I have your life, my bash you everything, but me not going to do it again. And just that one something, Miss Bling, counteract back all of the negative thinking when me have to send me not coming back on your life. Listen now. When Dewey says all people talk about this plan, not blood clot plan. When Dewey say, no man, so she mean by me can't this her. So a fool she tell me for she can get up and this me and my wife and say my boys pussy stink. And my mouth drying a blood clot. And when me hear Dewey have vent, you know, remember me want to tell him no, but me I said no, make him be him own man. Him say she say me and a man. He say RT boss. Enough blood clot time that pussy all they fuck with me. But here what? Me the dead there. I hear when them a coach a little boy. Whatever him say. And me say, well, do it. If you want to go on life, it's up to you. Me not tell you nothing, because me back all the way. Wrong our blood clot right me back. Me tell you after which part me not like. But me still a back you. You understand me? Yeah. So this is what lead to all of this now. So if you see them come with all of this now, I say Ray and blah, whatever. That not exists. And because it not exists, when you live with them, say you have to live with somebody to know somebody. And me at 54, I have a lot of experience. Me used to live with blood clot woman. Me used to do a gay club. Me say man left them yard and come and my pussy clot yard Sunday with them man. And them wife I call him. And the man say, you can't answer her call today, my dear. You get 6 days with her. You can't answer till you got your blood clot. And him couldn't answer him phone. So me say enough things, I know enough things, Miss Bling. So listen, for you around somebody, no matter how clever them blood clot is, you must one day them slip. Nobody can tell me about my husband. I know my husband more than him know him blood clot self. Me can't tell him every mole where they upon him, every vein. Ask him. Me study every blood clot angle. Same way some is. Anything is mine. Me know my surrounding. Nobody can come tell me fuck shit.
Queenie, listen. Yeah. Do it sound like him have thick skin. Because him say nobody can make him log off of the media. The only thing I was telling you is this cannot stick. And the reason why it cannot stick is because the people on the app know that this is how they are.
Mama, and not even that make it can't stick. I chew me in that boat, they say it can't rock with me.
Exactly.
Know.
Remember, I
know that.
All I use Batman. One man told me and I pay Batman for him. Listen, Queenie.
But what all these Miss Bling?
Yes.
Miss Bling, every partner I have me tell them so. And tell them about them mother. I don't make it right for me know myself. My baby father, the first thing I tell him to make him vex.
Say in a real life, just by seeing all of this. At the same object where RT called him name too long, and him say, him and him a friend. And them send him back, you know.
But them send Gone team now again.
And them send him back, man.
Yes, them send Gone team now again. I remember him and them, something will walk and get people to come. Can't take tea. But now watch how them take tea.
Them take tea.
Never lose. Every blood clot.
To mix up, man, them a friend, man, you know.
Miss Bling. May I charge her, them have to may I current and them have to plug them charger in me, you know. You see down here, Mr. Dan draw my pussy tongue like a slingshot, go draw my pussy tongue like a sling. She make songs and I never pay down no blood clot mine. But it's the truth is a bad blood clot, girl. Me here, no slow blood clot, boy. I say, me run her off from my life. Girl, me not hide go on live. If me come for your life, me not go on fake page and me not go tell you add me. But we anchor to see if you add me. Me that's what the fuck you mean by you run me off of your life? Like me the church shit. Me a bad girl, me a queen. Me said trend. The whole of blood clot to no honor me and worship blood clot me from before no eat me. What the fuck you no feel like? Anyone on a pound of blood clot life have to accept blood clot me. But yeah, that on fake page and me run her like that. You could run me, darling. Check your page. Me have blue tick bumper wall girl and not fake blue tick either. Real blood clot blue tick. I want to blood clot you. Low blood clot about Come on, I'm alive. Me never under your life, baby. If I come for your life, I come with my blue tick, my honor, my blood clot, blue tick, and I work hard feet. Just stink no blood clot. Anyway, Miss Bling, back to the reason, cat 10 story in one. You're doing a good job, cause enough time I say, boy, Miss Bling love the mix up, you know. But it a go come back down pan we in many ways because an element, as do it, I say energy is a real thing. You understand me, Miss Bling? You're there and you try people case. Likewise, RT. We don't know who guilty. We don't know who blood clot innocent. Everybody know them own plug in it. Everybody know them own plug. So at the end of a good day as humanity, the Bible says, he that don't sin can cast the first stone. My friend tell me, say, when she had 12 and girl suck her pussy in her church. Now tell me no not. You ever tell blood clot me that no one ever invite me at church? Low blood clot me. Because when me there with my pussy never suck when me at 12. Low me. You understand me? Things happen in any way, in all ways. None of we not perfect. It's who have the courage for come and say this happened. Some people suffer in silence. So you, Miss Bling, you bring out a lot of things to people for relate. Because not everybody upon it fake and then everybody's story is wrong. You have positive things that come out of your thing. You understand me? So you help people. You beat for people. And when you cuss the blood clot people, you still say, since I then tell us if it, RT say I get 2 lion. And the first thing you say, I get Dewey one.
Queenie, me can't change just come and stay. Me's a good person. The problem is, listen, I don't do mix up. You see, everything where you see on the media, me review it. Not really everything, but me review what me see out there on the media. Now listen to what I'm saying. I come over here and I do my thing. The whole of them used to be in a my box. In a my box. You understand?
No, Miss Bling. Yeah, send Tretta, baby. I said go, darling.
Yeah, clot keep all them do I get up every day and follow. Una keep blood clot I keep review and talk. Hear me, I send a people. You see
Check the word. Blinga and RT live. We don't tell their neighbor.
Look for them, send.
But them not to tell them. Because people them have to come. And yes, say it there. It not there nowhere else. You not stop fucking yourself and go on like you don't understand the assignment.
Cheer up the live.
Queenie, you have to send a request.
Jason, a request.
Hang up the live. Come watch me.
All on the blood clot, they walk and teach the idea them and do the things them. That's all on. Every minute you no go for somebody if you come out, come blood clot.
Share. Sorry, share.
Every minute you no get up, you no go for somebody if you come blood clot say. Me never catch Dewey with a blood clot man yet. When me cuss Dewey and tell Dewey say I'm a batty man, adapt me though. Me no know about blood clot Dewey. A cuss. A cuss. Me never see this man here with a man yet. I don't know my style. Me no know about Dewey. A cuss. So cuss people now gonna have nothing good for blood clots about the other person. You understand? I'm sure no son know that. Me no like on a style. All on do a copy blood clot girl. Look Pauno, copy blood clot girl that no one come argue with girl and come tell girl this and tell girl that. Remember I know, you say me big dirty stinker wagga on her if you live in a me blood clot style. You know I live in a me bumbo clot style. Come out of my style and go find for no style. You know make blood clot sense. Because I'm not gonna wait as long as me depend on the bumbo clot platform. No. Can't pass me out.
Not one blood clot. Just like how Gracie could look blood clot and me I take down in Ras. You can't pass Bling. You're mad you think much cow and blood clot goes up on this. How the fuck you feel like a one queen in a this?
No more. It will only that say RT2 a few platform on a compound come get noise.
Everybody never know RT did it.
See if you see her now, Blingers.
RT did it. Sexy teen. I feel like them did him in the blood clot, so I want to be celebrating.
I'm glad it's God. Hello, good night. The queen is here. Say yes, God bless. Give
Queenie.
God thanks for life. Yeah.
You have to remember say you're a star. You understand? You have to remember that.
local careless people like Queenie. 1 minute they bring me through it, pana. Queenie, you a star. You're bigger than enough of them girl. The girl them do body, but them not have no eye.
Remember, I love Mingo, my all purpose.
No, but you know we get crap.
No, auntie, no bad girl. Me have to touch every blood clot. Anybody will touch me, I touch.
You know what?
Save me and them for wall and I mud, me I turn muddy to blood clot. I say go.
But some people
them
make
not
sense.
go over there done my blood clot. I said I'm not go over there. Unless me dead, you mad?
But you want.
Me could have been super my blood clot star. I'm not telling a blood clot like for my husband on the internet. I'm sit down after me go and some blood clot, but I'm sit down after me no idiot. Me a walla with them in the mud over there.
Queenie, appear that them do. Walk and tell bumbo clot like them soon go for somebody come say me and you fuck this somebody.
Me supposed to
them
fuck
serious.
them. And them I want fuck. I want to fuck off the wall of blood clot them ways against me and do it.
Hold on, so the thing is, true. Them not get Dewey if you come talk and Dewey run come talk.
Auntie, remember said the way you can't take teeth to
So that is
blood clot. Let me talk with Auntie and take too long.
Let me talk, because you cuss. No,
Yeah.
cuss time. I could explain then when you cuss.
Alright.
Me ready for cuss. Me ready for cuss. True, Dewey decide to come talk and them never want Dewey to come talk and the Queen pay money too. Because she there behind it. So true, Dewey come talk. Them, notice say after Dewey come boss it, you see somebody come say Dewey a batty man. So it's like, have money there behind it, Spice push it. So because Dewey...
Artie, listen to me now. Me's a boaty. No call Spice this and that. We know everybody a push it. So no call Spice name and that. Can't hear one now, no, madam. The truth is the truth.
And nothing for your blood clot when you're done work it out then. May God bless you, me mute.
Alright, listen. You see the truth of the fact of the matter is, Artie.
Bling, me I got my bed.
We not defend West.
Bling.
Me a area, me a area.
From the root grind. Artie.
Looks like the life done. Because Queenie had this, me a save her. I can't see.
Oh, me a this your Artie, how?
Queenie, sometimes you have to humble, Queenie.
Oh, Jesus.
Because you look status of a Spice and Spice. Now remember, you should have known that before you come with
Me
the
nah
story.
look no status. Me's just a bad girl, Artie.
Yeah, but you have to stop it nice, let me talk. If you want me to
Alright, talk, Artie. Me shut up. Shut up, Queenie.
Do you talk, because I'm on me for talk. Because
no, you talk, Artie.
No, me do it talk.
Alright. Basically what's going on, people. Remember all this time. Somebody mute. Rely them come out. Me say me pure no blood clot when no come with the proof. Come with the proof. Cause girl now have no secret. Queenie, if me did a fuck 10 man, me I tell you no before no find out. You understand?
I mean, now you're 10 fucking secret.
Me not a secret, but listen what I go on with Dewey. And guys, when me cuss Dewey and put Batty on him name, I cuss. I cuss.
Them know, them just want to do name, Dewey and true Queenie all. And listen, I'm a senior sitting and I'm sexy and hot. I don't give a fuck. That's my husband, fam. You understand me? And them things that them girls do for car. I idolize my husband and no matter when I stand up for him, all when him say me not for touch him, me hear more say me hold on and do a foot and tell him to leave. So blood clot what? Me lock all the door and stay there. So do it dog, I do it now. Ask blood clot, do it. Something wrong with that?
Any problem, anywhere him go, him find back in yard. That's it.
It's my husband.
Nobody no run from good. Nobody no run from good.
About.
But Queenie, let me say this to you. When you sit down and look into all of them people who are do these things live, sometimes you don't even want to up in your blood clot mouth because trust me, them done.
Dude.
Yeah, and this man married, you don't have no ups and downs and one bag of thing. Me used to post, me used to beat, and them something there. I used to do it. But when time you come on the platform and I sit down and I listen to you, I said, Jesus, me can relate.
Yeah. I mean, my face up to my judgment, Miss Bling. Because that's how I am. That's how Miss Bling, me can't cheat. You see them talk about your Anna? Oh, she love RT. She take RT. And I'm like, what the fuck this bitch I talk about? Take RT, oh. How? Me first to that talk before blood clot RT.
Them say everybody fuck RT. All me. Them
listen,
say fuck RT.
Me first would have talk before blood clot RT. Because RT never that go talk. RT is a RT, me love you still in the RT. Big up your damn self. I'm in a business with you and Spice. And I don't care. It's the truth. So if you want to vex with me, I love your RT, but that's how me is, RT. I'll pity them. Everybody have that problem with me. When me I take my side, me I bought the RT. Me not busy with you now. Me just glad my husband say me come talk when I talk. I'm back my husband. That part of them, I don't busy with it. You understand me? The truth. Me not busy if she want to recognize me. I just me and how me feel. You understand me? You deal with that thing, I'ma just go and watch and know it's not bad.
Yeah, hold on. I see blogger them a run with one Momo League, Dewey voice note, this in Queenie smelly front. Wanna get it straight for me now, please. Momo now, me or Momo never sit down and hold no conversation of me and my wife. Yeah? So there is no evidence there for say me and I will so stop label uno content them wanna put up wrongfully.
You don't want people watch it.
You get me I say? Cause that now others make me blow things out of proportion and tell you no go ring up on mum up on head up under no mother. You see me? Cause me and nobody now hold them conversation.
Well, do from the time this thing till now, I must smell good now. Don't pay them the mind. Fuck them.